So for this one, 2/7 of the students in a school are in 6th grade. First, it asks us how many 6th graders are there if the school has 140 students. Now, to find the number of 6th graders in a school for 140 students, we just have to take the whole, which is in this case 140 students, which is everyone at the school, and multiply it by the fraction that we know is 6th graders. So if we take this one, we're doing 140 times 2 over 7. 140 becomes a fraction, which is 140 over 1. If we multiply across, we end up getting 280 over 7, which then simplifies down to 40 6th graders. So in the second one here, same exact process. If we have 420 students is the total amount of students, we're going to be multiplying that by a fraction of 2/7. In this case here, we get 840 over 7. If we multiply across. And then if we divide 840 divided by 7, we'll end up getting 120 6th graders. So if the school has X students, write an expression for the number of 6th graders in terms of X. Now remember, an expression doesn't have an equal sign because that would make it an equation. So what we're saying is that anytime that we know the number of total students, in this case it's X, we're going to be multiplying that by our fraction, which is 2/7. So our expression here is either X times 2/7 or 2 over 7X. So remember, this expression here represents the number of 6th graders. So in this case here, how many students are in the school if 160 of them are 6th graders? In our expression here, X is equal to the total number of people in the school, whereas the whole expression will be the number of 6th graders. So we can just say that this expression equals the number of 6th graders. So in this case here, now we're just solving for the variable X, which is the number of students in the school. So you see what's happening to the variable. It's being multiplied by 2/7, so we want to divide by 2/7. So X is going to equal 160 divided by 2 over 7. And now remember, dividing by a fraction, we need to multiply by the reciprocal. In this case here, we end up getting 80 times 7. Just did 160 divided by 2, which is 80, and then 80 times 7 here, which is equal to we have 560 total students in the school.